process. As everything in India, it starts where you don't know how it's going to happen, and then it happens, right?
Just go with the flow.
Oh, I've always gone with the flow. That's what I do all my life.
And anything specific you're looking forward to your being?
Well, you know what? Because I'm like this film I selected, which you're going to see today, but most of the film there's a selection committee run by Mr. Sena here. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some really good films.
Shekhar, how does film festival help a film propel?
Well, it's not just helping a film propel. Film festivals are important because people come and tell each other stories from all different cultures, and with the kind of angst and conflicts that this world is facing, it's really important for storytellers to come together and tell each other their stories, and that's how we can start talking to each other. Whether it's the angst internationally, the world is always on the brink of war right now. Angst of within a nation, within a culture, within a community. So film festivals encourage people to come and talk to each other. It's not just about helping, it's about people talking to each other and telling each other their stories.
Anything about your next film that will happen here? Some announcement or something?
Yeah, I'm doing a sequel to Masoom.
You're going to be announcing it here?
I've already announced it, but if you want, I'm announcing it. I'm doing a sequel to Masoom. It's called Masoom: The Next Generation.
When you plan to shoot?
In March.
Thank you so much.